beauty babes, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I literally had no clue what to do for Thanksgiving. Like I could not think of any look. So I've been wanting to do this camouflage double cut crease look for a while now, and I decided to do it now because I got this sweater and it matches and it felt appropriate to do with this outfit. If you guys would like to achieve this look or just watch it because it's really satisfying, then make sure you keep watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I am doing is pulling out What a Shock, my Hoola bronzer, and I'm just gonna be doing my bronzer. Oh my god, I just got like a hair in my eye or something. Shut up, why does he have to bark? I don't understand. Okay, and now we're gonna jump right into the makeup. Well, this is makeup, the eye makeup specifically though. So I don't really know what palette I'm gonna use. I really didn't think this through, if I'm being completely honest. Okay, so I am pulling out the 35. See, I just forgot the alphabet. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind. Anyway, 35C Everyday Chic Morphe palette. So first I'm just gonna be going into the color Love It and just putting that on my crease. Oh my gosh, why are there hairs on these brushes? Oh, is it because I cleaned them yesterday? It probably is. Yeah, there's like little hairs like that are kind of trying to get free there. That's probably why the hair got in my eye. Life is making sense now. Okay, and now I think I'm gonna start to zoom in just like a little bit. God, I hate myself. Okay, and now I'm just pulling out my Born This Way concealer, and I'm gonna be doing a double cut crease. If you do not know how to do a double cut crease, basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the concealer and draw basically a spoon shape and fill it in. If you are confused, just watch me do it. What I like to do is I like to just take a little bit, dab it on my eye, and then look up to find out where like my crease is. And then I just draw a line going down and then up following my eye, and then I fill said line in. Congratulations, now you know how to do a double cut crease. I'm very proud of you. There's honestly so many ways you could do it though. And now I'm just gonna be going into the color Cheers to You and putting that on my brow bone. Okay, and now we are getting into the color Just Perfect and putting that on top of the concealer we just applied. So just to lighten up the green a little bit, because I'm scared it's going to be a little bit too dark for the camouflage pattern, I'm going to go into the color Chic It Out, and I'm going to be putting that on top of the color Just Perfect. We are ready to get into the camouflage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be pulling out my NYX Vivid Brights liquefied eyeliner in the color Vivid Envy, and I'm basically going to be just drawing like these shapes, like, you know, just making the weird camouflage shape. So I'm probably going to look up just like a camouflage print on Pinterest, because Pinterest is literally the love of my life, and just seeing if I find anything, because I don't really want to copy off this sweater. I don't know if I really like the shapes as much. And I'm just gonna do, like, you're basically just drawing blobs, like, honestly. So now that I'm done with the green, I'm kind of keeping my eye a little bit closed because I want them to dry, just because it is on my eyelid. I don't want the eyeliner to crease. I'm going to be going into my NYX Professionals liquid eyeliner in the color Black, and I'm just going to be making more shapes just like that. This is more of like a gray color, so I might be able to add another black color. And now I'm going in with my NYX Professionals Let Us See Point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, and I'm just going to be drawing some more shapes, and this is more of a black color, so I feel like it'll be different than the other one because that was more gray, I feel. Okay, I think it looks pretty good so far. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline the double cut crease with the Hella Fine eyeliner. That liner is in the color brown. I was like, this kind of looks a little off. Gee, I don't know why. It's literally in the color brown. So now we're just going to try to go over all of that in black and hope it works. Okay, it still looks pretty good. Yeah, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be drawing a wing and connecting it obviously to the double cut crease, and I'm gonna be using the right eyeliner this time that is in black instead of brown. So now I'm just pulling out my NYX Professional's eye pencil in the color black and putting that on my waterline. And now I'm just going back into the color Just Perfect and putting that the rest of the way underneath my eye. Wait, did I say the rest of the way? I meant just underneath my eye. And then I'm going to be going into the color Cheers to You, and I think I'm going to put it on top just to give it a little bit of a lighter vibe. And because this look is super dark and I want to do a dark lip, I'm going to be pulling out my NYX Professional's Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Cottage Cheese and just putting this in the inner corner of my eye and a little bit underneath my eye. Okay guys, I'm going to go and finish the other eye off camera and then I will be back to do everything else. Okay guys, so I finished both eyes and I think they look pretty cute. I'm like so excited. I'm thinking about doing a black lip, so we'll see how this goes. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. But yeah, now we are just going to be moving on to blush, and I'm going to be pulling out my Glossier Cloud Paint, and this is in the color Puff. Just because I don't want to do anything too like dark or anything too light, just because this look is a little more on the dark side. So I feel like this is the best option, and you guys all know that I love like the liquid blushes a lot better than the regular. I just think that they're a lot cuter and they're like, I don't know, I think they show up more and they're more comfortable, I feel like, too. And for this look, I'm going to be using my Glossier Horoscope highlighter, and this is in the color Moonstone. I'm just going to honestly use my fingers. That's what I usually do when I use this stuff, because I feel like you get the best results when you do. I just kind of want it to be very light. I feel like I want the makeup to be a little bit more faint just because how hectic the eyes and the lips are going to be. So I just want to be as subtle as possible in the face area. And also, I haven't used this stuff in a while, so I feel like I should. And now it is time for mascara. So I'm going to be using the Glossier mascara. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot. So last week I got the NARS Climax Extreme. I tried the NARS Climax because my mom has it and I thought it was really good, but I decided to get the Extreme because I wanted to try that one too. And I'm honestly kind of disappointed. It was, when I used it like without using my Chanel mascara base, it was so clumpy. So I feel like you like have to use it with a base in order for it to not complete, at least for me. Now it is time for lips, and as I mentioned before, I'm thinking about doing a black lip just because I don't have green, unfortunately. That'd be so cool if I did though, but I feel like it'll look really good with the look. So I'm pulling out my Karity liquefied lipstick in the color Vinyl. And now I'm just pulling out my Anastasia Dewy setting spray and just setting my face. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or scene requests or anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it will be located in the end card, and it'll also be linked down below, along with my last video, which will also be in the end card, so make sure you definitely check that out. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it is the subscribe button down below, obviously, and you could also subscribe in the end card. I post really fun videos like makeup tutorials like these, and yeah, I just think that they're pretty entertaining, so definitely subscribe to me. Anyway, I think that is all I have to say, so bye bye, beauty babes, love you. Happy late Thanksgiving. Gonna spend it like no other.